In case you missed out on the major local and international news updates within the week, worry no more because we've got you covered. Join us on First Next News for a complete highlight of important stories from Nigeria and around the world. You can follow us on our YouTube channel at First Next News for full news reports.
All right, thank you very much for still staying tuned. This is First Next News. Port Harcourt. My name is Zach Jimmy. We just got a breaking news now that the Executive Governor of Rivers State, talking about Sir Siminalayi Fubara, has just made his entrance to his office. Do not forget, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, lifted the suspension, the 6-month suspension of the governor, and instated a state of emergency in Rivers State. Therefore, he made a retired naval officer, talking about Iborete Ibaz, to rule the state for 6 months. And the breaking news here is that the governor is back. Let's take a quick look into that video and then hear what he has for the group of River. We'll be back and then we'll discuss just 1 minute on that development. Don't go anywhere. It's still First Next News Port Harcourt with Zach Jimmy and Kings Ojalo. Let's listen to the video. We'll be back.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to you. I know everyone wants to hear something from me. In fact, we expected it when I landed from the airport. Let me first of all appreciate the wonderful people of Rivers State. I am really humbled by what I saw at the airport. I was also briefed with some photographs of what happened here yesterday. That reception really humbled me. It showed love, confidence, and solidarity. I want to say that it is not just the celebration, the massive reception by the number of people who came out to celebrate, but a display or reaffirmation of the bond between this government and the people that we are serving. I want to assure you that we will, by the grace of God, continue to do those things that has made you people love us. I want to appreciate everyone and to say that we love you, that God loves you more. We are going to address the state officially by 6 p.m. this evening, and in that state broadcast, every other person, every personality, every authority that gives support to this normalcy will be properly recognized. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. You could listen from the executive governor there. He seems so delighted. You just see the way he was just expressing his mood, exactly, and the people behind him. Exactly. He made mention of the joy and the ambience, the jubilation.
You know, it's something that he didn't expect.
Yes. So what do you make of it? Do you think this is a new dawn for Rivers State? Of
course, you know, it is a thing of joy for the people of Rivers. It's like a lost glory that has been reattained. Exactly. So I believe, just as he said he was so baffled and he was excited with what he saw, you know, even at his absence. So, you know, I think this is his time for Rivers State to awaken, you understand? And the governor too should also know that, yes, the people are solidly behind him, you understand? So I think it's also a wake-up call for the people to, you know, to also flow with the governor, you understand? So that the state will be at peace and everything should be put back in order. So it's a welcome development.
All right, thank you very much, Kings Ojalo, for that comment there. Rivers State, of course, has been raining joy, and everybody, youths, leaders, women, and everybody, they're happy to get their governor. But let's expect that he's back and he's going to get focused to bring back governance to Rivers State. Thank you very much for still staying. This is First Next News Port Harcourt. Ensure to keep watching this channel for more trending reports. It's a bye for now. My name is Zach Jimmy and Kings Ojalo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
In case you missed out on the major local and international news updates within the week, worry no more because we've got you covered. Join us on First Next News for a complete highlight of important stories from Nigeria and around the world. You can follow us on our YouTube channel at First Next News for full news reports.